There's so much life I'm left to live, and this fire's burning still. When I watch you look at me, I think I could find the will to stand for every dream and forsake for solid ground, and give up this fear within of what will happen if they ever knew I'm in love with you. 'Cause I surrender everything to feel the chance to live again. I reach to you, I know you can feel it too. When make it through 1,000 dreams, I still believe I'd make you give them all to me. I'd hold you in my arms and never let go. I surrender. Oh, I know I can survive another night away from you. You're the reason I go on, and now I need to live the truth right now.
Brilliant performance. I mean, that was just awesome.
Excellent. Well done. Well done.
With the heavy verse like this, if you work harder, you can go far.